लेट मी स्टार्ट विथ वन ऑनेस्ट क्वेश्चन। क्या आपने खुद से कभी कहा है कि मैं इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए बहुत बड़ी हो गई हूँ, या फिर लोगों के मुंह से सुना है एट दिस एज व्हाई इंग्लिश नाउ, ये तो बचपन में सीख लेना चाहिए था। इफ यस, प्लीज लिसन केयरफुली, बिकॉज दिस वन belief has stopped millions of people from becoming confident, and today I want to break this one belief. Let me tell you something very clearly. English has no age limit. English has no deadline. Confidence has no expiry date. If you are watching this video, this is your sign. Many people think they fear English, but actually they do not fear English. They fear making mistakes, being judged, being laughed at, being making mistakes. English is just a language, but society makes it a status symbol, and that's where the problem starts. Let me talk to housewife for a moment. Many women thinks I am just a homemaker. English is not for me. But listen carefully. You run house. You manage budget. You raise children. You handle problem daily. If you can manage life, you can manage English. English does not change who you are. English only add confidence. Who you already are. Now, let's talk about age. Who decided that learning belongs only to children? Did life stop teaching you after 30, 40, 50? You learned how to use smartphone, how to use apps, how to survive difficult phase of life. So why is English different? Because someone told you it's too late and you believe it. Let me be honest. Yes, people may laugh. Yes, people may comment. But remember one thing, people laughed at beginners. People respect achievers. Today they laugh, tomorrow they ask for advice. So never stop your growth because of someone's opinion who is not growing. Let me tell you the truth. You will forget words, speak slowly, make grammar mistakes, feel confused. That is a normal. Mistakes means you are learning. Silence is you are scared. So choose mistakes over silence. One important rule, don't announce your goals to everyone. Just practice quietly. 15 minutes a day, consistency over perfections. Let your progress speak. Silent efforts create loud success. People who speak English today were once scared like you. They didn't start perfect. They start scared. They started anyway. And that decision there changed confidence. Let me end with this. English is not about showing off. English is about expressing yourself. You deserve to be heard. You deserve confidence. You deserve growth. No matter your age, no matter your background, start today. Start scared, but start because learning has no age. Only courage matters. If you believe you can learn English, comment I am ready. And remember, you are not alone. I am with you.